Hello YouTube and welcome to the next video. Another unboxing. We got here a Logitech keyboard and it's the Logitech Illuminated Keyboard. So with not lightning keys, but with keys that are bright and shiny in the dark. So let's unbox it. This keyboard is not for me, it's for a family member. And this is one of the things you can't really buy online. Of course, you can buy it online, but it's hard to get the typing feeling or how much you can push in the buttons on keys on your keyboards. So this is a thing that you go best into your local, I don't know what you got there, Best Buy, Saturn, MediaMarkt or whatever, and check out all the keyboards they got and find out what you can type on the best. And then if you are nice, you buy it local and not just online thing, and think about your local dealer. And there we go. This looks really nice and well packed in this nice black box. What else we got in the box here? Looks like the normal Logitech handbook, maybe installation CD or DVD. Maybe some informations. Let's find it out. And yes, we got our Logitech Illuminated Keyboard quick starter guide here. So it's will describe how to plug in your USB cable. And oh yeah, there's a nice little diagram about this different lightning settings here. Of course, important information. And we got our driver set point CD, maybe for the special programmable buttons here. And let's find it out. And no, it's not a gaming keyboard. It's not one of the G series, so no macro keys that you can program, but there are some function keys on it. And there we go. Looks really nice here and feels good. Nothing on the back side. And look how thin the keyboard is. This is really not a big, high keyboard. And first thing, let's push some buttons. And you can't press the buttons really far in. It's more like on a notebook, but without the typical chiclet keys here. So not much space between the keys. And typing, even on the number block, feels okay. The space bar here is got round edges. This is I guess takes some time to get used to it. And we got our orange symbols here for the FN key, and the FN key is on the right side, not on the left side. And what else can we show you in this unboxing? Oh yes, of course. There's a USB cable and how long it is. So let's find it out. Standard USB, and 1, tested 2, 3, yeah, nearly 4 keyboard length. So it should be around 40 centimeter per keyboard length. So I guess, just guess with 1 meter, 1.3 meters. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video and bye.